Welcome to this webinar, Discover 20 International Drug Dictionaries at a Glance. Just by entering a search string in our Google-like search, such as omeprazole, you may enter here a brand name or active ingredients name, whatever. You get an overview about 11 different databases where this search string has been found, such as our drug dictionary with the pricing for German products, the SMPC German drug dictionary, recent news, the dossiers on active ingredients, most important, the active ingredients list with all the pharmaceutical substances used worldwide in medicine and pharmacy. You may just jump into the product, into the active ingredients name. You see that we have changed to the active ingredient database, and you have here the different detailed information on this substance and also the relation between the different substances. And here at a glance, really the international drugs in a very short overview with brand name and the list of countries where this brand name is authorized, such as Antra in Austria and Switzerland and in Italy. Just by clicking on it, you are switching to the international APTA database, and you see here the proprietary name, dosage form, the manufacturer, the country, and by clicking on the brand name itself, you get again the dosage of the active ingredient, the marketing authorization holder, the ATC code, and you have also the possibility to switch to the German comparable products via the ATC code. Just by clicking on the magnifying glass, you get an overview about the 91 products in Germany with this omeprazole as ingredient. You may here filter again on a dosage form or on a marketing authorization holder. We choose the Antra MUPS, which is from AstraZeneca. You have here exactly the active ingredients dosage and also excipients. You have the ATC code, the indications, and here you have the possibility to jump to the German pricing for this product. And here you find the detailed information, including price history. Thank you for your time, and goodbye.